Welcome to the first episode of Daily 5. Now, if you've ever been interested in playing the drums or being a percussionist, this is the perfect place to start. Honestly, I wish I had something like this when I started, but I didn't. Now you do. So, wanting to play an instrument and actually having access to the instrument are two different things. A lot of people don't have access to drum sets right away, or melodic percussion, or timpani, or all this stuff, but having a practice pad and sticks, that's an easy, cheap way we're being real here. It's a cheap way to start out. You can literally pause this video right now. You can go to obviously after I tell you this, but you can drive to a local music store, get a practice pad, get sticks for around like $40 like max. And then you can watch this series. That's literally all you need to do. That's all you need to do. I'm not asking you to go get a drum set. I'm not asking you to go get all these instruments. I'm asking you, okay, let's learn what it means to have a good foundation. So I'm calling the season foundation. Season 1, we're starting out at the foundation, and we're going to keep developing on the pad. Daily 5 might go to other instruments, but right now we're starting on the pad, and this is going to be good. Every other video is going to be like 5 minutes long. This one's obviously going to be longer. It's called Daily 5, by the way. let me go deeper into it. I'm going to spend 5 minutes. We're going to spend 5 minutes together, and if that's too short, then we can go to 10, or you can just watch 2 back to back. Like, you can make it as long as you want. But Daily 5, this is the idea. I'm going to set a 5-minute timer, and we're going to play for 5 minutes. We're just going to move our hands. And so if you have a practice pad, if you have sticks, cool. You can have a stand like I do. It's going to be very helpful, but you don't need to have one as long as it's a little bit below your waist and your sticks aren't straight up, but they can go down a little bit. Then you're fine. As long as you can have good posture and you have those elements, you're ready to start. And this is where everyone starts. Every drummer you've seen, every percussionist you've ever seen started here. They started with the surface and sticks. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and start the 5-minute timer right now. So now we're into the Daily 5, the 5 part of the Daily 5. And so we're going to start playing. I have this thing called a metronome. Don't worry about it too much. I'm going to play this to give us a sense of speed, of tempo. This is our tool that musicians use to make sure we're in time. So that being said, I'm going to turn it off for now, and we're going to talk about the foundation, because ideally this is your first time. I would recommend you get big fert sticks. They have flags on them. How well you can see that. They have a flag right there. You're going to pinch that flag, wrap everything else around. Pinch, wrap around. Pinch, wrap around. Everything's nice and relaxed around the stick, as if you're playing tug of war. This is a natural way to hold something. And when you move, you're going to move your wrist. You're going to bring it up. When you throw it, you're going to throw it down. And because you have a pad, it's going to be a very responsive surface. Right? Acts like a drum. And so let's go ahead and play a little bit with that idea in mind. 3, 4. This is our speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're thinking in 4, and we're hitting every 4 beats. Every beat 1, 2, 3, 4. Gives you time to think, gives you time to move. This is it. You're moving. That's the idea. Not too crazy, not too difficult. Try to be as relaxed as possible. It's really difficult because your body naturally is going to want to tense up and also play off the surface. You want to play in so it can bounce back. I want you to think about the speed of the sticks to the surface. There you go, just like that. Nice, there you go. Now we're going to speed up a little bit. So it's going to be 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. If you're not really counting, which is okay, just feel the move. That's it. You can easily just find a song after this and kind of just have fun with it. A lot of songs are in 4. This is the foundation. This is the everything right there. All right. Now let's do every 4 beats. 1, 2, ready, and. Yeah, tricky. There you go. Nice. All right, now we're training both hands. Ideally, you have a strong hand and a weak hand. I like to think of the strong hand as the teacher hand and the weak hand as the student. You're going to make sure they're both speaking together. One's going to feel more comfortable, one's not. As you move, be very careful to keep a pizza-like shape and not have ski things going on. If your nail is facing the ceiling, it's wrong. If you don't feel like you're knocking down with your wrists, ideally the whole point of the video is for you to see how I'm moving. I'm not doing this. I'm moving with my wrist. And knocking down. Knock, 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 knock. Now we're going to switch hands, starting with your right hand. 1, 2, ready, and right. Now as your right hand moves, your left hand is down close to the pad. Nice and relaxed. When I say 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can dedicate at least 5 minutes a day to doing this, you're going to grow so fast compared to the average musician, percussionist, drummer. Because a lot of them, they start on shaky ground, and they don't really have a way to practice, or they don't have a good practice routine and strategy. Now, this is our practice routine. This is us just getting good together. Me getting better and you getting better, and that's it. That's literally it. Pad and sticks. So I'll see you in the next one, and keep being awesome.